Today we will discuss the cone clutch design, complete design of the clone clutch. See here, this is a cone, the surface where it is going to be contact angle alpha. This is a B face width which is going to be considered. This is a R1 inner, R2 outer, right? Or we can say R1 smaller, R2 larger. So here also there are two theories. One is uniform pressure theory, one is uniform wear theory. In a uniform pressure theory, axial force Fa is equals to pi p by 2 d2 minus d1. Whereas here Fa is equals to pi dm bp sin alpha, where P indicates the pressure and the B indicates, I will show you later what is a B. B is a face width. How to find out that one I will show. The torque is same in both the equations. See F Fa dm 2 sin alpha, F Fa dm 2 sin alpha. Both the case it is same. Only difference will be what? Dm. And Fa already we have seen above. The dm in a uniform wear pressure, that is 2 by 3 d2 cube minus d1 cube d2 square minus d1 cube. Whereas here 1 by 2 d2 plus d1. Whereas B is in both condition it is same. This is a B. B is what? D2 minus D1 by 2 sin alpha. D2 minus D1 by 2 sin alpha. These all things, these all formulas are given in a design data handbook. Where power equation already, this is so many times I have informed, 0.5 10 raised to 6 power in kilowatt pi into n. When you consider small n power equation, then you go for else, or else the equation 2 pi nt by 60. When you are going to calculate the maximum torque, we should have this torque into KL, that is service factor, which can be found out from the table 12.34 and equation 203. As I said, this is what the design. So in a design, the most important thing is what? To find out the material. So to get the material of any of the clutch, if he has not given, you can see 13.2 table, page number 228. If he has given materials, then you can find out the pressure and friction. If it is not there, then just assume leather for a wearing material and steel for a clutch material. By using these two material, you can find out the friction, that is F. You can find out the friction F and pressure P. This is the basic concept of the cone clutch. If you know these things, you can very easily go for designing the cone clutch.